Strawberry chola, what's up? Raspberry crescent chola. Today we're gonna get some crusty and we're gonna show you how to take care of the earth. Okay? Take care of the earth. Okay?
Nature friendly.
You want nature friendly?
Episode nature friendly. Yes,
okay, you got this, you got this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So today, you know the earth is a home, we gotta take care of it. We gotta take care of it, you know? Oh, here's our friend. Here's our friend.
Yes, I'm the greatest friend right here. Yo, Lara, what's up?
You hit me.
Lara. Oh, she gotta go.
Yeah, what's up?
But it's okay.
You gotta go. Okay, stop.
But we still can get down crescent. Yeah, we can get down crescent. Yeah, it says. Yeah.
What the? That's a tree, man. We hit the tree.
You walked right into it.
Lara, I thought you could go.
That was a tree. Man, that was a tree, man. Why didn't you tell me that was a freaking tree?
Leave the tree. You can't see the trees on the ground. The tree. Leave.
I'm not paying attention to that. Can you see that?
That's not tree.
You know whose are those? Do you know what those are?
Mine are sick. Step one.
Step one.
Step one. You gotta pick up the garbage off the floor.
Yeah, let's pick up the garbage. You guys are crazy. You see, this is garbage right here. This is full-grown garbage. This is garbage. How?
That's a leaf. Why you kill it, man? You kill it, man. You kill other things. You crazy. You know what? To get them crazy and not get down, rip this out, crazy lady.
But it was on the floor.
It's okay, Leaf. Survive. Come on, dude. It's dead. You fucked up, I said.
I didn't know. It wasn't my fault. It was on the ground.
Let's pick up trash now, I said. Look at that table here. The park is really dirty with trash.
Here's some trash. Someone shouldn't have left these on the freaking
Boy,
table.
Give me my pretzels. They're not trash. I'm eating them. Step two. You gotta water the trees. Keep them safe and clean. Come on, sir. Water the trees. Look at this tree. Poor tree. Look at the leaves. They're all dried out. Oh, poor trees. What's up, Esther? What happened?
There was a bee.
Bee?
There's a bee.
Look.
CPR.
No. Okay, Esther, we gotta water the trees.
Now we gotta water the trees. But we done step 2, man. Now we gotta do step 3.
Step 3. Water the grass. You know, take care of it.
You know, I'm gonna just do it right here.
Where do we water it? By the tree? By that table? By this table?
Let's go right here.
Okay. Okay. Bashing.
That was so good. Oh,
Okay, now you know how to water these things.
See that? See, that was watering them. See, natural.
Natural. Right there, natural.
Natural.
Now, we show you how to take care of the earth. You gotta do it yourself, sis. Go out and water the plants, water the trees.
Water the grass,
Go
man.
pick up trash from the park.
What are the
Okay.
freaking grass, man? It's another one park.
What are you doing, man?
I'm scared of the tree. I'm scared of the tree. There's a freaking bug.
Okay, so bye, sis. I gotta piss again. Peace out.
Yo, there's a bear.
Bye.
Zip. Yeah, it smells like a place for boys.